Hello guys, welcome to the Unique Lab. I'm here with another new video. So today I show you how to Json to Kotlin class in Android Studio. We need to first install one plugin in Android Studio. So go to File, Settings, select Plugins. Here you need to write Json. I already installed it, so you need to install and click on apply. OK, or if need to restart your IDE, then you can go with that. So I have one API response. Control A, copy, go to Android Studio. So here you can see one package name with the name of model. Right click on that package, go to new, select Kotlin data class file from Json, paste your API response here. So basically it is used for generating Kotlin class from any legal JSON or URL that returns a JSON as a response, supporting all kind of JSON libraries annotation like Json, Jackson. So here you can see annotation, all kind of annotation which is supported JSON to Kotlin class. Here is the property. Okay, here you can select keyword as a val, type as a nullable, and default value strategy. Annotation which you need to use for your project. Select here. You select here enable order by alphabetically, enable inner class model. Now go to with the extension, add keep annotation on class Android X. Click on OK. Here you need to write your class name. So I take a name like simple response. Click on generate. Here you can see your class is successfully generated. I hope it will help with the making a model class easily. Also you can initialize your property with the default value. Also you can change list to array list. Which you need to take. Okay, hope it will help you. Thanks for watching my video. Do comment, like, share. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos.